We didn't have a choice. We didn't have big income. So that's why we started as well.
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
good. I'm going to ask you one at a time. What's your big why? Like, why? What's your big why? What's your big reason for embarking on this renovation thing or a property investment journey? Kylie?
Oh, me. Okay. Reason. Well, it is
Big
twofold.
why.
It is twofold. Number one, Jodie and I had always said we would do this. And
Yeah.
if I say I'm going to do something, I'm going to do it. Might have taken us 20 years to get here, but it had to happen in my eyes. But my other why is I'd always said I would transition from my PR consultancy into being a full-time renovator. And that's what I've done. And that's what Rare has given me. And that's what I'm doing now. So it is now about replacing my income, which is the plans. It's twofold, really. Yeah.
Jodie?